Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily do a factory reset in your computer or Windows. So let's get started. And the very first thing that we need to do is we need to search for settings. At the search bar, type settings, okay? So the moment you type that, go for the very best match, which is settings. Click on that to open. Just double tap it, okay? So once you're here at the settings, as you can see, it has this list of the options at the left side of your screen. Now go for the very list of that, which is Windows Update. Click on that. And the moment you open your Windows Update section, go for Advanced Options, which is next to Update History. Click this forward arrow to continue. Okay. So once you're here at the advanced options, look for recovery. So I can see here the recovery, which is under the additional options tab. Just simply scroll down, click that to continue. Okay. So here at the recovery, it has different sections or options that you can choose to. Now, since we'll be resetting or do a factory reset in our PC, then we need to go for reset this PC, which is under the recovery options tab. Click this reset PC button to continue. Okay, so the moment you click on that, you will be up to choose an option. You can go with keep my files and remove everything. And if you go with keep my files, this is very good because it will only remove apps and settings, but keep your personal files, those important data that you have in your computer. So click on it. And here it is getting things ready. And it asks you how would you like to reinstall Windows. You can go with cloud download. It will download and reinstall Windows and local reinstall, which is reinstall Windows from this device. I recommend you to go with cloud download and it will only use more than 4 GB of data. So I am suggesting you to have a 5 GB of data to be sure. Okay. Simply click on this. The moment you click on that, it will have this current settings, restore apps and settings which came with this PC, download and reinstall Windows. So if you want to change the settings, just have to click this change settings and you can also click whether you don't want to reinstall pre-installed apps, just simply click on no. And if you don't want to download Windows, just simply click on no. But I would recommend you to leave this download and reinstall Windows Yes because that's the very best options that you can have if you want to reset your PC. But let's say if you want to choose the second option, just have to click this reset PC again. And if you want to remove everything, since you want to remove all the applications, the files, the settings that you have in your computer, since it's not working, that's why you wanted to reset this PC, then you can go with this removed everything. Click on that. Okay. Here, once you choose the removed everything, I also like recommend you to go with cloud download since it will download and reinstall Windows. Simply click on it and just have to leave this remove files. Do not clean the drive, download and reinstall Windows since you wanted to remove apps and files which are not working well in your computer. Okay? Just have to click on next. And the moment you click on next, you will be able to reset your PC. Okay? Once done, just have to restart your computer and you're good to go. Okay? So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.